Hello, welcome to Grow New Plants. So today I come home and I check my plants and I'm looking around and I see something strange on top of these Fittonias. And I really don't know what it is, so I get up a little bit closer, and if you look right here, this thing's got a flower on it. And then I guess this right here is a seed head. So I get on the internet, because I've never heard of these things seeding before, never seen one. So I get on the internet and look it up, and I literally just found one article, nothing else, talking about these things seeding, and it says it's extremely rare and basically you got to have perfect growing conditions for them to seed. So I guess I got lucky and have given them the conditions they need to seed. So I started looking around at all the other plants, and I have seed heads on just about all of the Fittonias. So I'm going to take them and get them all out, and then we'll take a look at all the rest of them. Okay, so I got all these pulled out, and I've got, you can't see them all in this view, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 that's showing at least some signs of this, and I had 2 of them that didn't really show any signs. So these are the ruby red ones that I did. These are the ones that I did from where I did some division on them, and then I took cuttings off of some and planted these not too long ago. And you look right here, this one has got a seed head, and then it's got 1, 2, 3 flowers on it. And then this is the one we looked at earlier that's got the seed head, and then it's got 1 flower on it. And I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do is, one of these flowers fell off. This one here is pretty well dried, so I'm pulling that off. Well, you can see that it's really tiny. So hopefully I'll be able to figure out how to get seeds off of these. Any of these that are really dry already, I'm going to go ahead and pull off, and I'm going to save them and let them dry good, and then I'm going to see if I can get seeds off of them. There's another one that's already fallen off too, so they put out quite a few little flowers apparently. I'll pull that one off. So that one's got 2 seed heads coming off of it. This one, I don't think, this one didn't have any seed heads coming off of it. And then this one looks like it might have one trying to form right there in the center, but nothing big yet. And this is one of the other ones that's a cutting, and it's actually got a great big seed head on it. No flowers yet, but it's making a seed head. So that's at least 2 of them that have good seed heads. This one is another one I did from the division, and it looks like that appears to be where they come out from, is right there. It looks like it may be fixing to form one here. And then this is another one that I did the division on, and there's one starting to form right there. And then I don't see any more on this one yet, but I bet you they're all gonna do it. I mean, because the majority of them are. So this is another one of the cutting ones, and it's got a little tiny one starting to come out right there. And then these are all the ruby reds. This is actually one of the ones that I've had for a while. It's a Juanita, and it's one of the ones I propagated in water a long time ago. I only had 1 or 2 of these left. I'd gotten rid of those, given a lot of them away as gifts. But this one right here, it's got a little seed head forming on it too. So what I'm going to do with these things is I'm going to just collect the flowers as they dry off, and then I've got a little digital microscope, so I'll put them under that digital microscope and see if I can find the seeds inside the flowers. And then I guess once I get enough seeds collected and they're dried and everything, I'll try and grow some from seeds. I'll do a video of that too. If they don't take, I probably won't ever post the video, but hopefully they will. So anyway, I thought this is really cool. I'll get this one good one back over here that had the flowers on it. So it was kind of a cool surprise to have when I got home today. So anyway, so I will get this posted, and then if we get enough seeds and has some success growing some from seed, we'll see what happens with that. I appreciate you watching. Please like, please subscribe, and please share my videos. Thank you.